Then, after we wrap it up, when all the wirings is inserted properly, this is how it looks like at the back. Then it's ready to push that in. And prior to do that, make sure that it's been tested with if there is a power on it. Look, and the other side as well. That means, or using a voltmeter. So this one is ready to screw in. In every stage, you have to double check if the power is really good. After you screw in, make sure that you test again. And we got a new cover. And that's it look like after a new cover. Boom, that's done.